Hi friends, let's see how to install Java in Linux. Okay, so first of all, to download that, go to oracle.com website and go to the download Java SE and then download. Under the downloads, you can see the options. Okay, so here our Linux is this one. I already have the Linux. I have already started it in my VMware. Okay, this is my Linux machine. This is my IP address. Let's connect this server. Okay, 192 dot. I'm just making a note of this in my nodes. 168.193.207. This is my server IP address. Let's connect this using the putty. Okay, how to connect? Just go to putty, open, give the host name, click on open, give the username, root, password. Okay, give the password here. Okay. So this is my putty Unix. Okay, you can see Unix. This is a Red Hat Linux server. This is a Red Hat Linux server. Okay. Right, now let's go to softwares directory. Okay, this is my directory. I'm going to use this directory to download all the softwares. Okay, so there is nothing here as of now. Let's try to download it in the Linux. Okay, so how to download it? Just click on this whatever the version you want. I'm going to download this tarball. Okay, see this is the one. Just click on that or right click on this, open link address, copy copy link address. Okay, I'm just going to copy the link address, go here and use wget command. Wget is a command which will help us to download the file through the URL. Okay, so you have to just give double click, right click wget space, just right click. Okay, wget space, just give the right click and enter. Okay, and there is some error connecting this connected, some error here. Let's try to redo. Okay, certification common developer does not match the requirement. Okay. Fine, let's do it in another way. Okay, just click on it here, or else just click on it here. It will try to download it here. I don't want download here, to be honest. So what I'm going to do, I will copy the URL from here. Okay, I will copy the URL from here, copy link address. Now go to the Linux, wget and give the link here. So now it started downloading. So once it reaches to 100% of this progress, the file name will be, seems to be like this. This is the file name. Okay, we will rename this to original file name. What is the original file name? This is the original file name, right? So not this one. Okay, you can remove this one also. Since I have several downloads, it is showing one here. Okay, just give the original name like this. We will rename it. Okay, this file we will rename it to our original file. Okay, now you can see the download. It is showing like this. The file name is this, showing as like this. Now let's rename it to original. Okay, for renaming we have to use mv command. We all know this, right? jdk space and then give the original file name. What is the original file name again? So this is our give the original name of this. Okay, you can remove this one. Okay, that is give the name here. Okay, so you can see the jdk tarball here. Okay, it is in the compressed format, okay, using gzip. Let's try to uncompress it first. Okay, uncompress. So since it is compressed in the gzip, okay, so z unzip gunzip space, give the file name. Okay, we are uncompressing this now. Okay, first thing is we have downloaded. First we have downloaded. Okay, downloaded. Second one, okay, uncompress. Third one, untar this. Okay, see now you can see the difference. Okay, the gzip has been removed, and you can see the size of this file. Okay, if you see the size, earlier it was 190 so on. So now you see it become triple. It become triple than this, right? Around. See, it's because uncompressed it. Now let's untar this. Okay, let's untar this. Okay, before I'm going to untar, let me see whether Java is there in my system. Java is not there, guys. See this? Java is not there. Okay, so let's untar this now. Okay, untar tar hyphen xvf. Okay, for extracting this tar, command here is tar hyphen xvf space tarball. Okay, so what I have done, tar hyphen xvf. Okay, for uncompress, what I have done, gunzip space. Okay, so jdk so and so file name dot tar dot gz. Okay, this is the command. You can see the history also. History. Okay, tail hyphen 15. You can make a note of this also if you want. I will make a note of this. Download. This is the command. Second one, what I have done, I have renamed it. Right. Second one, rename. This is the command I have used. Third one, I have uncompressed it. Okay, this is the uncompress. So this is the command. Fourth one, extract. Okay, this is the command I have used. Now you can see this tarball has been extracted. Still doesn't mean like Java has been installed. Okay, so we have to set the environmental path variables. Okay, environmental path variable. These will help us to identify where is the binary. It is to help us to locate the binary. Okay, right. What are the environmental variables I have to set? First of all, let's see what are the environmental variables are there in the system. You can see env command. If you execute env, what are the environmental variables are there in my system? You can evaluate here. Okay, env is the command. So you can see there is no Java path related here. Okay, Java home is not there, right? So now to set the paths, first you have extracted this, right? Under this software, go inside of this jdk directory, jdk.1.8 directory. Now this is called your Java home directory. Okay, this is called your Java home directory. Now let's set the path here. Okay, so to set the path, export space, here we have to use the export command. Export space Java underscore home equals to, this is your Java home. Okay, so I'm copying it here also in the notepad. Okay, first I'm setting the Java home. Second thing is we have to set this Java home to path variable. Okay, to path variable. There is a path already defined in the system. Okay, you can see path variable has been already defined here. Okay, so we have to append this path to path variable. How to do this? Okay, export path equals to $path, that means existing path, colon, at the end we have to give $Java home / bin, till the bin we have to append here. Okay, till bin. Okay, let me copy these things also. Okay, you can see the Java home path before that, and export path here is my next step is this one I have done. And again you can see echo $path. You can see root software JDK pin has been appended. Very good, right? This is what I want. Okay, I want to append my Java home path till bin to path variable. Okay, I'm able to do that. Yes, we can do this. Now you run the command java space -version. Okay, so you are able to execute the Java programs hereafter. Okay, you can execute the Java programs here. Okay, if you are able to see this output, that means your Java JDK version has been installed in your system successfully. Okay, this is how we have to install the JDK in Red Hat Linux. Okay, there might be multiple ways, guys. Okay, there is another way for installing JDK as an RPM. Okay, download the RPM space IVH and extra RPM space IVH, and then there is one more. There are multiple ways. Okay, this is one of the easiest way. Just want to give the demo for you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Keep watching Advith Devops World for many more videos in the future. Okay, so here is the final step which I have done. Just want to display it here. Right, thank you so much.